every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm going to try Laura's Panna Cotta. Now if her version of it doesn't convert me, I don't know what will, because I've tried a couple of Panna Cottas in my life and what can I say? Just not that into it. So if you're curious to see how it goes trying this recipe out for the very first time, how it looks, and most importantly, will I be converted? Thank you for watching. We're gonna need 1 cup of half and half a cup of heavy cream, 30 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 envelope of unflavored gelatin, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a tiny bit of lemon peel. For the strawberry sauce, we're gonna need 140 grams of frozen strawberries, thawed, 15 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, and half a teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water mixed together. And for serving, we're gonna need some fresh strawberries and some mint. The gelatin just because it needs a little bit of time to soften up, and don't think that just because the pack looks big it's actually big. It's exactly the same size, 20 grams, as the small packs. I double checked, you know, I'm very serious about these recipes. So to a small bowl I'm gonna add the water and the whole pack of gelatin and just leave it be while we work on something else. And I'm gonna add half and half heavy cream, sugar, and the lemon peel into a small saucepan, and over medium heat I'm gonna bring it not to boil, to a simmer. Okay, and now heat off, obviously. As you can see, there are bubbles around the edges, not the bubbles from the whisking, but actually from the mixture coming to a simmer. So this is the point where I turn off the heat. I'm gonna add the gelatin and the vanilla extract and then mix for an entire minute or even longer until I can feel that the gelatin has mixed in. I want to strain this mixture using a really fine sieve, just in case I have some gelatin left there which didn't mix in that nicely. This sieve will catch everything. I did such a good job. There's no gelatin whatsoever. I'm so pleased, like someone give me an A. So this is actually panna cotta already. Now, depending on the size of your ramekins, you'll use either 2, 3 bigger ones, or I have really small ones. I'll use 4. So I'll just divide this mixture among the ramekins. I'm gonna let them cool down and come to room temperature. Then I'm gonna cover them with some plastic wrap and put into the fridge overnight, just because I really want them to set really nicely. Laura says you could leave them for like 4 hours or so, but that never works for me, so overnight it is. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna actually make the strawberry sauce today as well, just so that the only job left for tomorrow will be just eating it. So to a small food processor, I'm gonna add the strawberries, water, lemon juice, and sugar and just blend everything together. Okay, and now similarly to the actual panna cotta mixture, I want to strain the sauce through the same fine sieve, as you can see, directly into the small saucepan, which I'm gonna cook a little bit later, so I want to just, you know, skip some medium steps and bowls and whatnot and just put it directly there so that the final sauce is super smooth. Oh shoot, I totally forgot to mention why I added half a cup of water, because it wasn't among the ingredients. When I looked at Laura's video recipe, I saw that her berries were really like watery. They had a lot of liquid from them, but mine looked, well, dry is not the right word, but I didn't have any liquid. So I eyeballed, and I figured that half a cup will do the trick, and I have pretty much the exact same thing. So now I'm back at the stove. I'm gonna bring this mixture to simmer. Okay, and now to this I'm gonna add my cornstarch mixture and continue cooking while constantly whisking for 3 to 4 minutes, or until my strawberry sauce has thickened up. Oh man, I totally forgot about the hot water thing. Okay, so I was like, why isn't it coming out? So once you have your panna cotta, and once you run the knife all throughout the perimeter of the ramekin, you want to take the ramekin and dip it in hot water for 10 seconds. And then it should pop out. Hopefully. So as I have your attention, once I do that and have the panna cotta here from the ramekin, I'm gonna add some sauce all around it. I have some mint, some strawberry, you know, like the nice presentation and all. And that's it. Okay, 10 seconds didn't work. Let's make 10 more. It's not coming out. It just doesn't want to come out, huh? Okay, wait. Man, it's not coming out. What am I supposed to do? Oh my god, it did! Oh, thank God. I held the ramekin in the hot water for too long. I have a feeling that it should be boiling water, and then you really need to just hold it for 10 seconds and then it should just go out, because I held for a total like 20-30 seconds maybe. It was just not going out, I feel like. So I have a feeling maybe with the like totally like boiling water, maybe then it would work. I'm quite curious, but I'm so happy it popped out. I was scared there for a second, weren't you? That it will never go out. Okay, it kind of looks like mozzarella ball, doesn't it? I don't know. What a weird dessert, like a white ball. Okay, let's not be judgmental. Let's try. Oh, it's like a jelly. See? I don't get it. It's nice and all. It's very soft. It's very mild in taste. Very mild. It's... Why am I describing panna cotta? I bet you know what it is. It's tasty, but I just don't get it. I just don't get it. I will eat it anyways. There's no complaining. Actually, my mom is so excited about this recipe. Oh my god. She is coming shortly to try this panna cotta because it's one of her favorite desserts. But she said that it's practically impossible to find a place where she would like it. She's too lazy to make such things herself. So she's even bringing her own, what's that, like, she's making her own blended strawberry mix. She's bringing that because she said I need a very particular amount, like I need to drown my panna cotta in it. She loves that mix and like she's so excited. I have a feeling she will really love it. I don't know why do I have that feeling. I have no idea what, like, it's a weird dessert. But there you have it. A white mozzarella-like blob. You know another thing why it also resembles mozzarella? The taste. Mozzarella is super mild in taste, like you practically don't taste it. It's just the gooiness that we all love. So this is the same. I don't get it. Why would you eat dessert which you don't taste? I don't get it. This is good. It's not tasty. It's just so mild. This is. I'm so sorry. If you love panna cotta, I'm so sorry. I don't want to offend you. It's just my own personal like relationship with such desserts. I just do not get them. They look cute, but I would never choose this. This is how Laura's looks like if you want to see her make it and how easily she pops the thing out of the ramekin. Magic. Man, it's magic. I don't. Should I like keep it at room temperature? Maybe a little bit before, like, because I took it straight from the fridge and then it stood like 5 minutes maybe outside and then I was, you know, all over it. Maybe that's how to take it out? I'm not sure. Someone educate me, please. You can find the written recipe in the description box down below. This is a proof I've never made panna cotta in my life. It's possible. It's in the plate, inverted on the plate. Look, look, it happened. I really thought it might not. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!